In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your data in Power BI Desktop. Keeping your data current is essential for accurate visuals and decisions, and the quickest way to do that inside your report is with a simple refresh from the data pane. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and share a few tips so you know what to expect. First, open the data pane in Power BI Desktop. This is the area that lists your tables and fields, and it lives on the left side of the interface. If it's not visible, look for the icon that resembles a table on the left rail and open it. Think of this pane as your inventory of all the tables and queries included in your model. Next, hover your mouse over the specific data you want to update or refresh. This could be a table that feeds your visuals or a query you've imported. Hovering is important because it reveals additional controls directly on the item you're targeting, so you're refreshing exactly what you intend and not the entire model. When you hover, you'll see a three dots icon, also known as the More Options menu. Click that icon to open the context menu. From the options that appear, select Refresh. This tells Power BI Desktop to go back to the data source for that item and pull in the latest available rows and values. If you see a prompt that references data, select Data to confirm you're refreshing the data itself for the chosen item. That's it. Power BI will begin the refresh. You'll usually see a small spinner or progress indicator while it works. The time it takes can vary depending on your connection, the size of the table, and any transformations applied in your queries. When the refresh completes, your fields and visuals that rely on that table will reflect the newest values. A couple of quick pointers as you do this. If your data source requires credentials, Power BI may ask you to sign in before it can refresh. That's normal for secured sources. Also, if your refresh appears to take longer than usual, check whether your table has complex steps in Power Query, as those can increase processing time. After a successful refresh, consider saving your file so the updated state is preserved the next time you open it. You now know the simplest, most targeted way to update your data right from the data pane. Keep this method in your routine, and your reports will stay accurate and ready to share.